Welcome to another episode of Box TV. We have a bag of requests, so we are going to get to them one by one. Today's episode is flat pum pum, fat pum pum. Ladies, we have to know the difference. We can't give man false information because we don't like false information. Here we one night we dey a party and the DJ said big up the girl with the fattest pum pum. This girl, she grab up her belly bottom. Now every man look like I wish I do. That is not my girl. Listen. Your belly bottom is your belly bottom. Your vagina is underneath your belly bottom. So when you grab that up, it's not your pum pum you grab up. Understand? We have to go box here because you do not know the difference. Big up the girl with the flat pum pum say we know about a fat pum pum we say. Hold your face. Know the difference between your belly bottom and your pum pum. When the man said big up the girl them with the fat pum pum, if it don't fat, don't grab your belly bottom. Have some sense. Fucking idiot.